Okay, we got a KO98 kit. We're going to install AFL valve. This is the old one that comes out with the clip like that, and the new one we're going to install looks a little different. You can see that. And then this one comes with a little plug that we're going to put in here. And we're going to use the old valve to install that. I'll put some goop on here. Put some goo on there to hold that to the end of it. And then we're going to push that in. Okay, so we want to get it until the cap shows out there. So let's get a short little punch. I just have a punch. You can see it there sticking out. Here's what I do. There we go. And a new one goes in. The spring goes inside there. And rub that up. Should slide in freely. It does. And then we have to use a bigger screwdriver here. Okay, that is the KO98 mod kit, and that one came from Superior Transmission Parts. KO98 AFL Valve Repair Kit.